Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video, we are going to explain the responsibilities of a full stack developer. Let's go ahead and get started. Full stack developers are versatile professionals who work on both the front end and back end of web applications. They bridge the gap between user interfaces and server logic, streamline development processes, and enhance team collaboration. Essential skills and tools are required to build robust and scalable web applications. A full stack developer is skilled in various software development areas. They handle front end development, creating user interfaces, and ensuring seamless user experiences using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and related frameworks to build responsive and interactive web pages. Back end development focuses on server side logic, databases, APIs, and application architecture. It involves handling requests, processing data, and delivering responses using programming languages, frameworks, and database management systems. Full stack developers often handle DevOps and server management tasks. They deploy and scale web servers, maintain them, manage security, and optimize application performance. Full stack developers handle database management, including writing queries and optimizing data storage. They work with both SQL and NoSQL databases. To excel in front end development, mastering HTML and CSS is essential for structuring and styling web pages. Proficiency in JavaScript is crucial for creating dynamic and interactive applications. Knowledge of frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js can streamline development. Additionally, ensuring responsive design for various devices is critical. Key backend skills include proficiency in programming languages like Node.js and Python, familiarity with server-side frameworks such as Django, expertise in API development, and secure user authentication and authorization. Here are some common database management systems, including SQL databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL, NoSQL databases such as MongoDB and Cassandra, and skills in data modeling and query optimization. In addition to database skills, full stack developers require DevOps and hosting. Those skills include using Git for version control, setting up CI/CD pipelines, containerizing applications with Docker and Kubernetes, and deploying applications on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or the Google Cloud Platform. Web developers need essential soft skills such as problem solving to tackle complex issues, effective communication and collaboration with teams, and adaptability to stay updated with evolving technologies. Here are some essential tools for modern development, including IDEs like Visual Studio Code, version control tools like Git, front-end frameworks like React, back-end frameworks like Django, databases like MySQL, API tools like Postman, containerization tools like Docker, and cloud platforms like AWS. In summary, full stack developers build and maintain both front end and back end of web applications. They create scalable solutions, streamline processes, and drive innovation. Their role is crucial for modern software teams, and mastering these skills opens diverse career opportunities in tech. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's giving you a good idea of the responsibilities of a full stack developer. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.